There's a rainbow behind me. It's raining. I'm in California. Welcome to Alaskan Astro. Hey wife, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go look at the conjunction
Yeah, of what?
of the function.
Good enough. Cool, alright, we got a scope and a tripod and my mom, and we're in California. Let's go. You see it yet?
No. Can you see it, Aaron?
I can. We're climbing up this hill to a nice overlook. You saw it?
There it is. We found it. It's in the sky.
Yeah. The dot?
Yeah.
The dot in the
I
sky.
actually see both. I see one and then I see a tiny faint one next to it.
Perfect, yeah.
How fun is that? Ooh, look.
Can I see without my glasses?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Play with the focuser.
Where's the
The big knobs on the side, yeah.
Oh, and I see its moons. And you can see the rings on Saturn. That flash. That's pretty cool. Wow, Saturn's really clear. The tiny beats. That's cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
There it is. That dot.
Wow. Why am I wiggling?
It's because it's zoomed in more.
Yeah.
That's so neat.
Isn't it?
I love it.
That's great.
Beautiful sunset here too. Clouds are just enough out of the way. Oh, we couldn't have asked for a nicer night. We've got Saturn and Jupiter conjunction over there. We've got the town of Santa Barbara down below us. Tisha in the dark here, looking through the scope. My mom looking up at the moon, and Mars is right over there. Well, if I'm gonna make this into a video, I guess I should actually talk about my gear. This is my Orion ST80 Achromat Refractor. This is some cheap diagonal from Amazon. Got my TeleVue 2X barlow and a Starguider ED 5mm eyepiece from Agena. And it's really given us some pretty great views, all things considered. So yeah, I guess just remember to wear a coat, because apparently it gets cold even here in Southern California. So I think this is actually looking a lot better without the barlow. I think it's just pushing this little refractor too much, and the seeing maybe isn't perfect, but we're actually getting some really nice views just with the 5mm eyepiece and the scope itself. Yeah, we are on to the next target. Now we're looking at Mars next to the moon there. It's another video.
Oh.
We took a little bit of a road trip. Well, no astrophotography here, but it's great. Thank you back there. Hello.
Hello.
No astrophotography here, but it sure is pretty. You know, we didn't come down here for astrophotography. It's full moon and it's Southern California. They could really use the rain, so honestly, This is fine. I just think it's really funny that we're down here and it's probably actually clear back home in Alaska and raining here. You know, I started out doing visual astronomy. I still think there's something that's really cool about getting to actually see stuff with your own eyes. Even if I don't have the nicest gear on this trip here with me, it's still really cool. Well, we're pretty obviously back in Alaska. So what was my take on the Great Conjunction? I think it was way overrated in the news for people who are just going to look with the naked eye. I think it was cool for astrophotography, but not all that amazing. I mean, you can always just put a picture of Saturn and Jupiter next to each other in post and you get pretty much the same thing. What was really cool was getting to look with my eye through an eyepiece with just a modest telescope and see the rings of Saturn and moons of Jupiter in the same field of view, really close to each other. It was pretty great. Anyway, I'm glad we're back here. If we could just get some cold weather and clear skies, would be amazing. Anyway, meet Nina. Hey! Hey you!